Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the site and we have to write the Adobe Pro. Simply we have to write the Adobe Premiere Pro for free download. And after that, as you can see, now we have to open this first link here. So I'm going to click on this first link. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now we will get this and we have to click on the start free trial. And after clicking on the start free trial, as you can see, now we have to choose that which one you want. For example, I want to this one. So we have to click on the continue here. And after clicking on the continue, as you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds again. And now as you can see, these details are provided here. Then again, we have to click on the continue. So let's click on this continue. And after clicking on the continue, we have to provide the payment details and the email. And then we will be able to download the Premiere Pro and we can use this. So see you in the next video.